हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। अनदर डे इन सिलीगुड़ी। अब आज का प्लान है कि हम लोग जा रहे हैं स्विमिंग के लिए। बरसाना होटल इनका फेवरेट ना, इन सब का। दे लव स्विमिंग देयर। तो क्योंकि गर्मी भी बहुत है इधर, तो स्विमिंग परफेक्ट है। और तो कुछ करने का होता है नहीं ना इधर, स्विमिंग एंड आई थिंक इट्स गुड। या विल गो टू सिटी सेंटर लेटर। ठीक है, फिर गाड़ी भी आ रहा है and we are all ready. चलिए फिर मिलते हैं आपको बरसाना में। अब यहाँ फ्रूट्स दुकान में पहुँचे हम लोग। बढ़िया 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 फ्रूट्स है इधर। 무슨 눈썹 밑에다 심도가지। ओके, तो हम लोग नारियल पानी कैसा है? अच्छा है, ओके, ठीक ठाक, बढ़िया नहीं है। एक्चुअली पुजुंग ना कहीं से पीते हैं, वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा मिलता है एक्चुअली। ला कति भयो? लेख्नु पर्छ हैन? छोटा सा है। थैंक यू। टेक यू था ए गॉगल्स।
मजा में वो
उसको बहुत वो है, पानी पसंद है।
कुछ ज्यादा मैंने बोल दिया।
मेन्यू आ गया?
हाँ,
अच्छा, मेन्यू नहीं है?
मेनू तो नहीं है।
ये है आपका बरसाना का स्विमिंग पूल। कोई है ही नहीं। हम लोग ही है बस। Achoo.
Mama, listen, my cannonball is the best. What do you achoo, Mama? Like this way. Come on.
Chida, Isla, Chida, swim.
Papa, cannonball. Mama, cannonball.
Gilas, Isla, you don't never forget once you learn.
My mother says that.
Go that side.
My mother says that my cannonball is good. Where did my other one go?
Kan amalu ay chike junna.
Just come inside this one. Do it like four more now. 2, 3. Oh, now it's one more. Come inside. One more. Look at that one.
पहले यहाँ पे ना जकूजी वगूजी होता था, वो नहीं है, बंद हो गया। अच्छा है, चलता भी नहीं था। वॉल प्लांट हो गया इधर, वॉल प्लांट सब। I will just sit and chill, क्योंकि मैं तो स्विमिंग नहीं कर सकती। कोई बात नहीं। वाह, थैंक यू। चलो भैया जी लेके आए हैं हमारे लिए फ्रेंच फ्राइज एंड कोक। स्नैक्स हैव स्टार्ट टू कम नाउ। गाइस, फ्रेंच फ्राइज द जूसलेस हो। शिबेला को अभी बिल्कुल बाहर का खाना मना है ना, तो उसके लिए मैं एप्पल लेके आई थी, तो मैंने अभी काटने भेज दिया ना। सो ही हैव एप्पल। क्या करें, अब बीमार है तो अब बाहर भी उसी को आना है। हाँ, मैंने बोला घर में बैठते हैं, बोला नहीं नहीं मुझे जाना है। कोई बात नहीं, इसी बहाने हेल्दी तो खा रहा है. शिपेला स्विमिंग बहुत अच्छा करने लग गया है आजकल ना. बीबी ट्राई छिको रे दिस यानो रिंग रो छिया छिदा खा. शिपेला को बहुत पसंद है स्विमिंग. उन दोनों को भी पसंद है, बट शिपेला स्विम्स बेटर. कम ऑन.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, baby, come.
Dami. Very good. 다 이시라 치다. 케줄라 치다.
I can go. My boyfriend, that's right. Right, go. So hard to do. Oh, it's hard. Oh. See, I did some net here. Hi, you know, 1, 2. First take a deep breath, then go. With that, a vanilla and a sugar.
케줄라고 옥다 다미레스 제수교스. 옥다 다미레스. Next क्या है? Chill chicken dry. Chili chicken dry.
चिकन ड्राई
Wow, looks very nice. बढ़िया. यो है. ऐसे बाहर रख देगा. Thank you. Okay. And the chili chicken. Wow. बढ़िया. Chicken. Spicy है. अच्छा है. Chili chicken. 시원하니? I told you you can swim. Come here.
Scared? No, I can't. I was scared to take a breath.
Come this side.
There's some blue eyes. Chicken? Jackie. Chicken? Jackie.
French fries, nice. आमा दूसरा टेबल लेके आ गए हो भैया. Okay. No? Chicken lollipop.
This is chicken lollipop.
There's one, no? Chicken lollipop. That is pakora.
This is pakora with green chutney. Pakora with the green chutney is very nice.
Okay. तो ये है assorted. सब है इसमें onion, capsicum, everything. And your chicken lollipop.
Chicken lollipop.
I love that.
And sauce.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh,
How is it, baby? Try. Smooth.
chicken lollipop. This one's for the top juice.
Mama. How is it? Smooth. Let me also try this.
Juicy.
Ah.
Bite, big bite now.
Enjoying? Huh? This is kind of a holiday you like, no, Nisla?
Yep.
Swimming pool and food. बस यही चाहिए इन लोगों को. अभी कुछ महीनों बाद तो यहाँ का स्विमिंग, कुछ महीने नहीं, नेक्स्ट महीने से तो आई थिंक ये लोग स्विमिंग बंद कर देंगे, यू नो, कि यहाँ पे ठंड शुरू हो जाती है ना. तो यही मंथ है, ठीक है. इसके बाद तो एग्ज़ाम्स है, फिर आना भी नहीं होता है. हाँ. Thank you so much. Shebinla, your apple. Chala. Thank you.
Roasted pakoda with mint chutney.
Mint chutney.
Green chutney. Eat this with green chutney. Chutney, right? It's a chutney. That guy wants to eat a lot. The chicken.
Papas kamu. Mint chutney.
Coba, apple. Blood and 7 and 111. Yeah. Go slow. Took के पीछे go.
iPad.
Zero की plus.
Zero. We are finished. मेरो माछा चार्ज हुँदैछ. Now we are going to city center. क्यों गेम को खेलना है, वीडियो गेम. हाँ था ये वीडियो, हम अभी भी वीडियो गेम बोलते हैं ना. अब पता नहीं इनको क्या बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? टाइम जोन में क्या था?
The games are
Abs. Where are the abs? How many pack you have? 4. Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 pack. अभी से उसका 8 pack है. हाउरे, ये कोई 8 pack नहीं है तो पता है, ये सब वो है. Because he's too thin. जब फैट नहीं होता है ना तो मसल्स दिखता है, वही है और कुछ नहीं है.
I'm sitting in front, okay?
No. Today I'm sitting in front.
No. Like this.
गर्मी, सिलगुड़ी की गर्मी. ऊपर आराम से हम लोग बैठे थे
Then I did like this, no?
शेड में.
Ishe.
This is Barsana Hotel. Reached city center. Reached. That's not a punch, huh?
Mama, I can do this.
There.
Mama, I guess I can do this.
Tisco. Koram chiju.
We don't get.
Takta doi, Sheila.
Just the same. Whatever you want.
Cheetah. क्रॉसवर्ड से सामान लिया बच्चों ने, इधर स्केच पेन के I'll show you अभी खा के. Okay, food time. La. Oh my God, this is way. Okay. This is how he's asking for money. He's getting also, no? Moine. So sweet. Ambo. You saw how people Ambo earn money, Babri. He's not begging that, he's showing his talent. Risking his life actually. देखो ये कैमरा गिरा मंगा चिक
ভালো ভালো হয়ে গেছে
হয়ে গেছে so sweet so lunch क्या बोलूं अब 4:30 तो हो ही गया है 5 we have come for food at Kasturi okay. Food has come. She was having data.
Jingamato.
Yeah, prawn has come. Yeah, prawn. एक मेरा है, एक किसी का है.
ये मेरा है.
ला, I'll give.
Okay.
Oh boy.
I can do one myself.
Okay. You want gravy?
Okay.
Prawn. 신데사, 비비 신데사, 그 신데사 면. 이 prawn pulao ligra.
This looks like lobster.
It's a big chingli, big prawn. Kids just big prawn. 타지 마마가 지지기다. 쉬워.
Why is it so sour? Why is the prawn sour? Huh? Why is the prawn sour?
भाई नींबू शिंबू माने क्या कहीं
Ako chinlap po dyan.
Ooh!
Ooh. Mama. Yum. ये prawn पुलाव इधर ना बहुत बढ़िया है. It's with pepper, black pepper.
But she's eating my food. Then after that, he says, so since ChatGPT and said I cannot eat, so that's why she's eating.
Yummy. That's it. Yeah, baby.
Tadu!
가봐. 이게 너무 스타일인데. 나 이렇게 싸움 진짜.
Hah? Main the kisah?
क्या नहीं चाहिए
Ambo.
क्या
Ambo.
आलू भुजिया
Isle mangga ada. He's saying the lie. From acting.
어디 가는 거 혹시 좀
Nan nimbaling am still.
그렇게 남니까
Yeah. Gonna Robbie to the valley. You're gonna eat another one? Yeah.
꿀을 사투 써라
Oh God.
अगर आप ना इधर आए तो महाराष्ट्र थाली बेस्ट है उसमें आपको सब मिल जाएगा
How
स्वीट
That's how you got me to die, Maharaj.
चिदोई
Hey.
There's this yellow rice. It's very sweet. बढ़िया है उसमें दाल आता है आपका मटन आता है एक प्रॉन का सब्जी आता है छोटे छोटे प्रॉन का
Oh, Papa ko pa yun.
तो भाजा
Half sad ako pa kachin sang na sa'yo. Where is this ya? Naman kachin yung mga laraba ni Mas.
뭐? 아 맞았어
Balgan. It looks like that steak, hoy. Hoy. It looks like a steak, hoy. Hoy, Mama, from the top.
야
It looks like the steak. Ooh. I really like banana.
I love it बहुत गर्म है
I'm never eating banana.
You have that
I don't even want to look at it.
드시라 잘 잠들어 가자 잘내 잠들어
Hello.
쌀 더 있어 이것도 다
I only had one thing that would destroy my liver right now. You know what? That chana. I ate so much.
पापा पनि विदाउट नलेज लगिदिरा
Khari mama don't taste so.
जाना पापा चिल्लामा छ
Oh, first Papa told me.
Fina sure to be Simon.
त त्यो अनलाइन इट स्लोज डाउन पे डाइजेसनलाई पे स्लो गर्छ लिभरलाई नि थाकाइदिन्छ अरे उसले
This is
What
very
did you say? Well, I'm out. Nyukto do. Separate mo niya. Pero nyukto do lah. Kita beba tajix. Bye. Boy, abu boy. Bye. Oh, sorry. Hey. 지금 무시해. सब इसको देख के हंस रहे आमलेट लाऊं हमारे को H&M लाऊं
Oi, catch mama, catch What are you?
See, there's a London bus. hey, इस लड़की को सब कुछ करना है.
I will do that.
There is the H&M. Again, now they'll not allow us to shoot inside H&M. मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगी shopping haul अगर कुछ लिया तो. Let's see. I hope my kids get something. Okay, bye-bye. See you in a while. OMG, पहुंच गए घर. आज तो मेरा पैर इतना दर्द कर रहा है ना because I was wearing those flats. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फ्लैट शूज़ ना, बहुत दर्द कर रहा है. ओके एनीवेज, मैंने सोचा अब आप लोगों को दिखाते आज हमने क्या लिया. एंड द अनबॉक्सिंग विल बी डन बाय माय 3 kids. ओके
So hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. Yes.
लेट्स स्टार्ट अनबॉक्सिंग.
स्टार्ट करते हैं. हमने किया है पिकल बॉल.
What is this?
Pickle
Pickle
ball.
play ball. This is from Hamleys.
Should we show the price?
No.
So you can see contents are 2
Abhi, I can see.
pieces wooden paddles
Yeah.
and 2 pickle balls. That tomorrow and we got a moon ball.
So you guys are
I'll show
happy?
you something. The sport is played like tennis.
Yeah, they know what pickleball is. Okay,
Some
this
people
is
don't know.
moon ball. That is
No, it is
kids'
not moon ball. This is
moon ball. only.
hyper bounce ball.
Oh,
It bounces
hyper bounce
extra
ball.
high.
Show.
It
What's
bounces
it?
extra high. Oh, hey, look. This is better than the original, the one that is in.
No, not at home. Okay, next.
Now, okay. Next we go to the sketchbooks. These are the sketchbooks that we
I didn't buy any of them.
This one
Kizuna
is
doesn't know
fishes
how
and
to
this
sketch
one is
right now.
Yep,
So,
I'm
go
very bad
sketch.
We
at
have colors.
Okay, one pencil color.
48,
48 colors.
3 pens.
Okay,
We
this
have
pencil.
pencils.
Pencil is for Kitsu.
We have 2 mechanical pencils.
2 mechanical pencils. Yes.
And one bow.
Okay. Kizuna ने कुछ नहीं लिया, सिर्फ खाने का लिया.
मेरा मामा ने बोला था.
Okay, keep this aside.
Off to the food.
No, that's okay. No, leave it. Okay, तो आज इनको ना H&M से हाँ शॉपिंग बहुत हुआ.
But
So,
one
no, keep
thing
it
we
here
wanted
for-
to say.
Keep this
one
back,
thing we wanted to say to you guys, that today whatever we asked to our parents, they always said yes. They did not say one no also. So I thank them.
So
Same.
it was a yes day for you guys, huh?
Yes, but we want to do only yes challenge for 24
No,
hours.
thank you very much. I don't want to do.
Now she said, "How do you say no?"
Okay, now show me your clothes.
Yes, now
आज
we have
इनके लिए
said no.
कपड़ा बहुत लिया है बाप रे.
I have so
Okay.
good kapara. First is this jumper.
This is
is
no.
my
Ketu will
shoes.
show his.
Can we put off the tag?
Not why now.
Because it will not be comfortable.
Right now you don't have to wear it. You don't have to show Amma wear
Ma,
it.
you don't have to wear
Okay, one jumper for Ketu. Okay, next. Okay, this is a half jacket. Show properly.
Wait. I think this is Ketsu.
It's okay. It's okay. Just show all. Amma.
Ketsu can
Very
hear
nice.
Ketsu's.
No, it's okay. Just show me. Pick it up.
This is a half jacket.
So ये half jacket इन तीनों ने लिया है एक ना. Show all 3. And that is Shepenla's jumper.
And this is my jumper.
Shepen's jumper.
I didn't buy that much.
This is Kitsu's jumper. Kitsu,
That's my.
show. This is Kitsu's jumper. Okay.
This is Isha's.
It's okay.
This is Isha's.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, Isha also bought.
You all bought.
And
Hey, this is Woody. Ale, Isha आज Woody dish.
Hoodie. Ketsu na ni Isha like hoodie.
Ale, yours is without hood. I did not even. Isla, show no
And
others.
this is my pen.
No, this is Shepenla. This is Ishila's
Where's mine?
jumper.
And this is
Where's
my.
mine?
This is Ishila's.
No.
Mama, my
Shepenla's.
jacket is not there.
Your jacket is not there. It's there. I saw just now. This is
Shepenla's.
show properly. Ishila will show one by one. So ये सब half pants लिए हैं आज.
मुझे तो बहुत बड़ी चाहिए है. This is mine.
I'll tell you later. ये
Mama,
Shepenla
Isha,
का.
you already showed mine.
Yeah, he showed.
That is mine.
Mama, all half pants.
This is mine.
Winter आने वाला है. Yeah, that is Ketsu's.
That's mine, no.
That is also Ketsu's.
That's mine.
No, this is Ketsu.
Mine.
No, I bought you different. Okay, that's it.
Yep.
Okay,
Oh, this
so
is yours.
huh? That is okay. That food and all the
No.
apple वगैरह ये सब तो लिया है. So come here, Ketula,
Where's
come
the
here.
tennis ball?
Ketula, come
Gari,
here.
gari.
Now tell me, how was the day?
Damn good.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Magnificent.
Efficient.
Magnificent, I said magnificent.
Happy.
Extreme.
And time zone भी बहुत खेला है ना?
VR was the best. We
Yeah.
scored 1,201 points.
Oh, so today was a good day.
Just by playing basketball.
Alright, can you put all the clothes back? Go, go, go.
It is your business.
अच्छा, my good babies do it. ओके तो आज इतना ही है ना. बहुत थक गई हूँ है ना. इन लोगों का क्या ही है दिन. तो हमने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं. मैंने कुछ किया बोलने से बस मैंने बढ़िया खाना खाया आज कस्तूरी में. And I think I'm a foodie. Now I think I'm a certified foodie. You know? I self certified. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा वो खाना खा के ना. It was like you know as if I've achieved something. ओके गाइस, तो ये व्लॉग मैं यहीं पे एंड करती हूँ है ना. बहुत थक गई हूँ. अब I'll freshen up and sleep.
Where is it?
And I'll see you guys next time very very soon. Till then, bye bye and good night. Miss me.
Good morning.